And we got ourselves a nice pair of 250s here, right and left. Don't forget your bearing. Make sure your set screws are all the way pulled out. Like a glove. Always wear gloves, guys. Always wear gloves. Got our drum here. And now that your springs are attached at the middle, you'll go over to your cables and set the tension on those. Pull it through, making sure it's straight up and down, not getting caught on anything. Once again, brought to you by Cane's Chicken Fingers. Cane's Chicken Fingers. Then you kind of want to pin it while it's tight. Do the same thing over here. That should be good. This is the part where you move on to winding the spring. Depends on how tall the door is. This is a 7-foot door. Different doors call for different winds. Vice grip off. And that is how you change a spring.